Okay, so if you're going to use these things, you can make your own coughing filter. Is that so cool in these perilous times that we live in? Hey, you want to know something? You ever wonder what happened to those lost socks that have gone to who knows where? Well, I found their counterpart, and they're right here. And what's really cool about this is that we're going to make our own face masks, and these are for kids or anybody. All right, the first thing you're going to want to do is pick a sock, any kind of sock. They could be white ones, they could be gray ones, they could be dress socks. I don't care. Any kind of sock will work for a situation like this. All right, so what you're going to do is you're just going to get a good old-fashioned regular sock, and you're going to have a pair of scissors on hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your sock like this, and then you're going to fold it just a little bit. And then you're going to come in about, anywhere from a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, yeah, even an inch. And you're going to cut a line like that. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go on here on the toe end, and you can do the same thing. Come in about an inch or so, and then just cut. Don't cut all the way through. Now what you do is that you want the heel side to be down, because you're going to take this thing, and you're going to go like this. Booyah! Can you dig that or what? Now, if you got a big old schnoz and a big old mouth, we can actually modify this whole thing. And we're going to do it this way. We're going to take and we're going to get ourselves, same thing. We have a sock that's over here. And by the way, wait. Make sure the socks are clean, all right? Otherwise, that's just kind of gross. So we have our sock over here, and instead of cutting first, like we showed in the first sock, we want to cut the tip off. Okay, so we're going to cut the tip off just like that. Make it pretty. All right, so now what we'll do is we're going to take and we're going to cut one side of this thing lengthwise. So cut this baby just like this. And once we get this thing done, you are going to be amazed about what's going to happen. Come on, get it right. Do it right. Okay, so we're going to have this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do kind of the same thing as we did before, where we'll take and, in fact, you know what? Just for tickles, I'm going to cut just a little extra more. Just a little bit extra, because you're going to see what's going to happen here. Okay, little extra. Especially if you have a small face, you could do this. Grab it by the center, cut like we did before. Just go just a little bit like this, because that's where your ear is going to go. And then cut like this again, and just cut just a little bit like this. That's where your ear is going to go. Now you've got yourself a longer, bigger sock, and you see where the heel is at? You put that for your schnoz. That's what you do. You put that with your schnoz, and then you go like this, and you put it down, and you, ladies and gentlemen, have your own face mask out of socks.